my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 EBL Sporting Goods. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, exercises, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is a title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Mid-Level 1 EBL Sporting Goods. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully and understand the assignment. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name exp22 Excel Chapter 4 ML1 inventory. Gradle has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard and then start working on this. I have already downloaded this workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. Here is a workbook. As you can see that there are different types of data: inventory, data warehouse, supplier ID, department, amount on hand, unit price, and inventory values. Here is a workbook that I have already downloaded from MyLab IT dashboard. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 is: freeze the panes at cell B2 so that the column labels do not scroll off screen. In this question, you will have to freeze the pane at cell B2 and then the remaining rows do not scroll off screen. You will go to the workbook. First, you will have to select the view tab, then go to the freeze panes, click on freeze panes. The top rows are in the freeze pane. Then move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is: convert the data to a table and name the table inventory 2024. Basically, in this question, you will have to convert your raw data into tables, then give the table name to inventory 2024. If you have any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. First, you will go to the Insert tab, then go to the table, then convert your data into the table form. Data are successfully converted into table format. And then write a table name inventory 2024. The table name inventory 2024. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is apply light green table style light 18 to the table. Basically in this question you will have to apply a light green color or table style light 18 to the table. Then you will go to the table design tab, then go to the table styles, then you will choose the light green, choose the style, this one. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, then by department. Create a customer sort order for department so that it displays in this sequence: training, athletic, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear, and toys. First you will go to the workbook. Select this, go to the home tab, then sort and filter, and warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, then the unit price at second level, unit price smallest to largest, okay. And then by department, create a custom sort order or department so that it displays this sequence. Basically you will have to create a custom sort at this level, then by department, then custom list, add this training, athletic, apparel, footwear, fitness, outdoor gear, and toys, then click OK and OK. Custom sort are created successfully in this question. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is remove duplicate records from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Basically in this question you will have to remove the duplicate record from this. You will go to the table design tab, then go to the tools option. As you can see that remove duplicate option are here. Click on this and select all, then press OK, then press OK. One duplicate record are removed. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is create an unqualified structured reference in column G to determine the value of the inventory on hand. To calculate the inventory on hand, multiply the unit price and the amount on hand. Basically in this question you will have to calculate the inventory on hands, then multiply by the unit price and the amount on hand. If you have any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. Then you will have to write a formula to unit price, then calculate this inventory value. Now move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is apply the total row to the inventory to 2024 table. Set the amount on hand to average. Format the result to display with the two decimal places. Then go to the workbook. Then go to the table design section. Then you will have to check the button total row. Check this, and then you can see that the total row are added on the last of the table. Then format the result display with two decimal points. And the set amount on hands to average. Amount on hands to average. And click on this drop down and then select the average of the amount on hands. And the next part is format the result to display with two decimal points. First we select this cell, then go to the home tab, then you can see that in the number section click on this to increase decimal points only to two decimal points. Question number 8 are completed now. We have now completed 8 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.